Good morning. We're at 1785 Mountain Creek. This is the end unit. Gonna try and shoot this fast so that hopefully the file size isn't too large. Surrounding neighborhood, and we'll go in. One car garage, nice and clean. Landscaping, cute. Plastic deck, no maintenance. Nice little sitting area on the front, and we're in. Entryway, we've got a little gas furnace, gas stove here. Berber carpet on next to a laminate flooring. Go through the living room, back door. We have a little area here for an eat-in dining room, actually pretty good size. Ceiling fan with lights. Turn the corner. Good size little kitchen. Turn the corner. Down the hall we have a area here for washer and dryer. Stackable. Full bath on the main. That's nice. And then of course the garage. And we're moving. Going around the corner. Let's take a quick peek outside. Again, plastic decking. The neighbors have fenced in their yards, so apparently it is available to you as well if that's something you desire. And we're back in. Back into the living room. Very clean, very cute. Newer windows. Of course, this place was built in 2001, I believe. Going up the stairs. Lights. At the top of the stairs to the left. Full bath. This is the second bedroom. Not huge, but it is a bedroom. And the master, pretty good size. Got closet here, reasonable size. Windows above, and then got a vanity there, toilet and shower there. That pretty much concludes the tour.